If you are comfortable working with fractions, then solving resistors in parallel should be quite simple. You have to find if the resistors are in parallel in a circuit. To do that, you start flowing the current from the positive terminal of the battery. Current I starts here, the same current I goes here, and at this point the current will need to split. Some has to go here and some goes here. At this point a split will happen again. Some current goes here and some goes here. Whenever you see that the current has to split, then the circuit would be a parallel circuit. Now, we will assume that the current passing through this resistor R1 is I1, this one is I2, and the current corresponding to R3 is I3. The one thing you have to know is that in parallel circuit, the voltage is constant. That means the voltage across the first resistor is same as the voltage across the second resistor, which is same as V3, voltage across the third resistor, which is equal to the voltage of the battery. So they are all 8 volt. You can also say this is your V net of the circuit. Now let's try one example. Let's assume that R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohms, and R3 is 4 ohms. This is the formula. All we do is plug in the numbers. We have 1 over R net equals 1 over R1. R1 is 1. 1 over R2, which is 2. 1 over R3, which is 4. Now, we are adding 3 fractions. 1, 2, and 4 are the denominators. We need to find a common denominator. In this case, it would be 4. To make this into 4, you multiply top and bottom by 4. So it's 4 over 4. Here, to make this into 4, you multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by 2. This is 2 over 4. And this is 4 already, so you don't have to change. 1 over 4. Now that we have the same denominators, we can add the top numbers. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 over 4. We have 1 over R net equals 7 over 4. Now, this is not R net, this is 1 over R net. To find R net, all you do is you flip the fraction. So 7 over 4 becomes 4 over 7 ohms. And this is the net resistance of the circuit. Now, we know Ohm's law, V equals IR. So I would be equal to V over R. To find the current across the first resistor, I1 would be V1 over R1. V1, as we know, is 8 volt and R1 is 1. So I1 would be equal to 8 amperes. I2 would be V2 over R2. V2 again is the same value, 8 volt. So 8 over R2, which is 2, 4 amperes. And I3 would be V3 over R3. V3 is 8 again over R3, which is 4, 2 amperes. And I net would be simply V net over R net. Or you can also find I net by adding I1 plus I2 plus I3. They will both give you the same result. This is the method of finding resistances, net resistance. current across every resistor in a parallel circuit. If you understand this, can you try solving this circuit? The resistors are in parallel. Find the current and voltage across each. Write your answer in the comment below.